Windows Admin Center is the future of remote server management, designed to modernize and simplify the IT administrator experience. Today, if I want to perform a management task on a machine, there are almost 20 different tools I'll need to open on a single machine. We've consolidated all these tools into a single intuitive remote server management experience, Windows Admin Center. Think of it as the evolution of traditional inbox management tools like MMC. It's great for administrators that need a lightweight management solution for smaller scale deployments or ad hoc management for large scale deployments. Windows Admin Center complements existing solutions like System Center or Azure Operations Management Suite by providing granular server management capabilities, where remote desktop might have been used before. You can use Windows Admin Center to manage servers with familiar MMC tool functionality, traditional failover clusters, where you can easily get a holistic overview of an entire cluster's resources, hyper-converged clusters with a powerful GUI to manage virtualized compute, storage, and soon networking, and Windows 10 client machines. Windows Admin Center improves the security of management in your environment with features like role-based access control and gateway authentication for local groups, Windows Server Active Directory, or Azure Active Directory. We built Windows Admin Center with the cloud in mind, and Azure Integration is built in to help you leverage the power of Azure resources from your servers, whether they're on-premises or in the cloud. But that's just the beginning. We've built extensibility into the architecture and are currently developing the SDK to enable other Microsoft technologies and third-party partners to develop their own solutions that integrate into Windows Admin Center seamlessly. At its core, Windows Admin Center is a platform on top of which we've built an ecosystem of solutions to manage your server environment. It is a locally deployed browser-based solution that consists of two main components. The first is the gateway, which manages servers via remote PowerShell and WMI over WinRM. And the second is the web server, which listens to HTTPS requests and serves the UI to the client web browser. These components, packed in a single lightweight MSI, can be installed on a local Windows 10 client, a dedicated gateway server, or a managed server, giving IT administrators the flexibility to deploy in a way that makes sense in their unique environment. By publishing the web server to the public internet, you can connect to and manage your servers from anywhere. You can deploy Windows Admin Center in your environment today by visiting aka.ms/Windows Admin Center, where you can download the MSI, read more about the features, and provide your feedback.